if that's okay for you.
If you don't want to do it now, it could always be sent up on WhatsApp.
Yeah, you could. I just, in my experience, people would see people.
I forget. Yeah.
You forget. If you don't mind, just a couple of words would be wonderful. So I'd just like to ask you guys. Obviously, at the beginning of the course, you talked about what you'd like to get from it. Some of you said that you were here to learn about mindfulness, to help you to maybe integrate that into your work, or at least have an understanding about what it is, particularly as the DVSA are referring to it a lot at the moment. And some of you said that you'd like to understand it a little bit for yourselves as well. So could I just ask you just to share a little bit about how you found the course and whether it met those expectations? Julie, can I pick on you first?
Yeah. I don't think I've got the words to fully express how this course is enlightening. I don't think I'm going to do you justice, Sam, because it's been absolutely amazing, and I don't think I've got the words inside of me to actually express how I've absolutely thoroughly enjoyed it. And it's going to give me, I need a little bit more work and a little bit more reading, but it's going to give me the confidence to help my customers. And in the world we live in, just find the impatience of other people. I want to be able to help the customers cope with that sort of busy, impatient. They've done surveys on it, haven't they? And apparently since COVID, our patience has gone right low. Yeah, I haven't got the words, Sam. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you for your contributions as well. Been very valuable. Thank you. Steph, how have you found it? You're on mute at the moment. Is it fulfilled what you came for?
Yeah, I think so. I've got a greater understanding of mindfulness. I think the 50-50 listening really struck a chord with me, and the sustainers and what was the other one?
Trainers.
That's it. Yeah, I really understand that, and how to take more time for yourself, really.
Excellent, thank you. And Craig, any insights, or has the course kind of met your expectations?
Yes, it's met my expectations. I wanted to know more about mindfulness and how to apply it, not just for me, but for my students as well. I feel I've got more about how to apply it for me. I'd like to spend time thinking about how I'm going to use those skills then to bring that into my lessons. I've certainly found myself calmer and taking more notice of things over the last 6 weeks. I was initially on my back foot, I think, because I didn't know what to expect. So on that basis, it's probably exceeded my expectations, because I had no expectations to start with. But I know more about it now, which is great, and it consolidates and works quite nicely with the hypnotherapy I do as well. So yeah, it's been great. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Craig. Thank you. Peter, any feedback from you? Has it met your expectations?
I found the course very interesting. Learned lots of things. A couple of the techniques that we've talked about, the 50-50 listening and some of the meditations, have been really helpful. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Peter. And last but not least, again, Mick.
Yes, it's met my expectations. I've taken a lot from. I've still got a lot to think about and study, but I've noticed a difference in the way that I'm dealing with situations that arise. I'm a little bit more maybe compassionate, as we've been talking about today. But no, it's been really good, empowering and enlightening as well. It's good, thank you.
Thank you all very much. I'm just going to pop that off to stop.